You think you know monkeys, but have you ever seen one that sings like a whale, has a secret second tongue, and a superpower that could one day save your life? These aren't monkeys. They're lemurs, and they're way weirder and more wonderful than you could ever imagine. Welcome to Fluff's In Facts, where today we're uncovering 10 mind-blowing facts about the real-life spirits of the forest. Stick around, because fact number 1 is coming up, and it's a game changer. First up, did you know lemurs are only found in one place on Earth? That's right, the island of Madagascar and a few tiny neighboring islands. They arrived there about 65 million years ago, rafting on floating vegetation. This isolation allowed them to evolve into over 100 different species without competition from more aggressive monkeys and apes. Imagine that journey, from ancient castaways to the kings and queens of their very own island paradise. Next, let's talk about girl power. Unlike most primates, and actually most mammals, lemur societies are matriarchal. That means the females are in charge. They get the best food, lead the group when traveling, and are the primary decision makers. The males? They have to wait for the females to finish eating and are generally more subordinate. In the world of lemurs, it's the ladies who rule the roost, and they do it with style. Ready for something a little spooky? The eye, a type of lemur, is one of the strangest looking animals on the planet. It has big ears, bulging eyes, and a long, skinny, freakishly flexible middle finger. It uses this special finger to tap on trees to find insect larvae, a technique called percussive foraging. It's like they have built-in sonar. Once it locates a tasty grub, it gnaws a hole in the wood and uses that same creepy finger to fish it out. It's a little weird, but incredibly effective. Now for a sweet surprise. Lemurs are crucial pollinators. While we often think of bees and butterflies, some lemurs, like the ruffed lemur, play a huge role in pollinating certain trees, especially the traveler's palm. They use their long snouts to drink nectar from the flowers, getting pollen all over their faces and fur, which they then transfer to the next flower. Without these furry helpers, some of Madagascar's unique plants wouldn't be able to reproduce. Here's a stinky secret. Lemurs communicate with smell. Male ring-tailed lemurs have scent glands on their wrists and chests. During mating season, they engage in something called a stink fight. They rub their long, bushy tails all over their scent glands to load them up with their personal perfume. Then they wave their stinky tails at rival males. The one with the most potent, intimidating smell wins the right to mate. It's a battle of the bouquets. This next one sounds like something from a sci-fi movie. Some lemurs can enter a state of suspended animation. The fat-tailed dwarf lemur is the only known primate to hibernate for an extended period. During Madagascar's dry season when food is scarce, it will curl up in a tree hollow and sleep for up to 7 months. It lives off the fat stored in its tail, hence the name. Its heart rate drops dramatically, and it takes a breath only once every few minutes. Ever heard a lemur sing? The Indri, the largest living lemur, communicates through haunting, whale-like songs that can travel for over a mile through the dense rainforest. Each family group has its own unique song, and they sing together in a chorus, usually in the morning, to mark their territory and bond with each other. Listening to them is an unforgettable, almost mystical experience. Get ready for this. Lemurs have a hidden second tongue. It's called the sublingua, and it sits right underneath their main tongue. It's a flat, serrated structure made of cartilage, and they use it like a toothpick or a toothbrush to clean food debris out from between their lower front teeth, which are fused together to form a tooth comb. It's their own personal, built-in dental hygiene tool. Now for that life-saving superpower I mentioned. Scientists are studying the fat-tailed dwarf lemur's hibernation ability with incredible interest. Understanding how they can safely lower their metabolism and body temperature for months could unlock medical breakthroughs for humans. Imagine being able to put a patient in a state of stasis to prevent organ damage after a stroke or heart attack, or even to make long-distance space travel possible. These little lemurs could hold the key. And finally, our 10th fact is a bit of a somber one, but incredibly important. Lemurs are the most endangered group of mammals in the entire world. Out of all known species, a staggering 98% are threatened with extinction, primarily due to deforestation and habitat loss. These unique, wonderful creatures are on the brink of disappearing forever. Their survival depends entirely on conservation efforts. So there you have it, 10 incredible facts that prove lemurs are some of the most fascinating animals on our planet. From their girl power societies to their secret superpowers, they are truly one of a kind. If you loved learning about these amazing primates, hit that like button and subscribe to Fluff's In Facts for more incredible animal content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.